Alright guys, what's up? Excuse the darkness, it's kind of dark already. I gotta do this real quick. Figured I'd drop you another video. Sorry, I sound tired as shit, but I just did a lot of stuff on that video. So now I'm gonna address something on this one. This is gonna be upgrade number, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's this. The Alta blow valve spring that upgrades the diverter valve down here. I'm gonna do this video real quick just because it's easy as hell to do. Just remove this. There's 3 screws, Allen screws on there. I think they're size 4 or 5. I'll tell you right now. This is supposed to give you, I guess, not loose boost while you're shifting, and also more stuff. Supposedly, I don't know. Might be a butt dyno. Might be a little different just because I do have a blow-off valve. Now, if you want more space, I think it's best if you take this off. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take off this intake pipe. It's only 2 clamps. This comes off, and then this just pops off. Get out of the way. So bam. Now yours may be harder to take off because you guys might not have enough to market intake, but I do. So, and that's another upgrade that's coming too. I'm getting rid of this intake. But for now, I'm gonna address this part. Let me take that off. So, take that off, take this off, take this one off. It's a size 8. Put it somewhere you don't lose it. Pop it up. And as you can see, there's 1, 2, and there's a 3rd one down there. So I'm gonna take those off. Damn, was that one? Check the springs, I'm gonna compare them. So I'll be back. Okay, so it is a number 5. Sorry for the very bad lighting. There's 3 screws. I'm gonna disconnect the plug too. God damn it, it's messaging me. I do want to compare them. I don't know something. I'll be damned if they really did the mod. This one's kind of hard to get to. You kind of have to like force the tool on because this pipe gets on the way. So I gotta hold this. I'll come back and just take it. Took it off. I figured I'd show this separately somewhere else. This is my blow-off valve. So you may or may not have this, but what you do is kind of twist this. And you'll see the spring right here. Now, I wonder if it's the same one. I mean, I don't know if somebody upgraded this. I'm just doing it for the hell of it, I guess. So, I don't know if there's any other way you can really compare them except size. Oh, maybe this has different spring section. But I guess you can say one is longer than the other. sort of. We can try to compare the sizes. Crap. Ah! Sorry. Kind of sucks doing this with just one hand. So, this is the old one. This is the new one. So about 1.83. 1.7 or so. So slightly bigger. Like I said, by like one coil or so. Is that enough to make it more effective? I have no idea. But yeah, let's just go about what they say, I guess. So, you can see them a little more evenly, I guess. So anyways, installation, just throw in the old one. Maybe harder now to keep it on. Just try to close it. I don't know if it's really gonna make a difference. Might just be some butt line and stuff, but yeah. If you want, you can put the sticker here. There's a sticker right here if you want. But yeah. Oh. Let me go put this back on and see what it does. So installation is opposite of removal, obviously. Everything goes back the same way. I'll cut this video short and end it here. Thanks for watching, guys. I'd like to keep coming, but it's dark and I have no light here. So I gotta put this back because I gotta drive this car now. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop a comment or whatever. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next mod.